roll it.
Good job, Blake.
And I need to do 2.106. I need to do. No, you have to only do one turn and then.
Actually, with bowling, you get 2 turns.
Oh, my turn. Oh yeah, and my turn again because I know you have to get 2 turns and then you're done. You every day one. That's why you do 2. One again.
All right, Blake, let her go.
Good job.
1 and 24 toys and 20. Blakey! No. That's cheating, Blakey. Blakey, that's cheating.
Still recording.
That's cheating. I'm